Good morning, dear students. Now you have to learn your new chapter, that is decimal. Chapter 5. What is a decimal? So here I am giving you some information about the decimal. This decimal we have to represent this point. This point, after the point, whatever the digit is coming, suppose here I am writing 7. It means this number should be less than 1 whole. Now the question is, what is a 1 whole? Whole क्या होता है? If I am taking here the one circle, if this circle is completely fill, so we can say here is a completely one whole number. Understand now? If I am writing here this one portion, it is a fill only. So half part, it is a full. So this half part we have to represent in fraction. But if you want to represent in decimal, then you can write it 0.5. And how it is coming 0.5? When you have to divide 1 by 2. How is it possible? 1 में 2 का divide, because 1 is numerator. On numerator, one digit will become inside of this divide symbol. Always remember. And denominator we have to divide with this always digit by denominator 1. So I hope so understand what is a decimal. Decimal we have to represent this point. We can say point also, we can say decimal also. And after the whatever the digit is coming, it means this number will be less than from 1 whole. Understand now decimal word and decimal mean. Now we have to do some question and easily you can understand how can we solve the decimal chapter. Next topic, it is place value. You know the place value of whole number. Whole number, understand those number is start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the whole number. Here I am writing this 23. This 23 is also whole number. So what is the place value of this 23? Ones and tens. Here I am talking about this place value, ones, tens. This 3 is coming in ones place, 2 is coming in tens place. Same as in decimal place value. After decimal, there is a digit. So what is the place value of that digit? 3.78. So what is the place value of these are the number? So here you have to remember this place value of decimal, that is start from, you have to put here the point, your decimal, then after the first word is coming tenth. 1 से start नहीं होता, 10 से start होता है. Tenth, hundredth, 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 then after thousandth, th, there is a should be word th. This th word will be show, this number will be go in fraction या decimal. Suppose if I am giving to you this 1/6, you have to write in decimal. How can you write this 1/6? 1/6, because there is a th word is there. 1/5. Then you are writing 1/5. You already did this type of the question. So same as the process, we have to do here tenth. It means 1/10, 1/10. Hundredth, hundredth means 1/100. 100. Thousandth means 1/1000. I also understand this tenth we have to represent like that, 1/10. Hundredth को upon 1/100 and thousand को 1/1000. After the decimal, the digit is coming, we have to read first digit place value tenth, then after hundredth, then after thousand, and before of the decimal, that is a whole number. These are the whole number and these are the decimal number. So whole number, how can you read it? Same as the way you have to read. Start from always ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, so on. So understand. Here you have to take one example of decimal, 3.56. So how same which way I am reading right now, that we have to write. जैसे मैंने read किया है वैसे ही तुम्हें लिखना है. क्या बोला मैंने? 3.56, तो 3 फिर point लिखा, और after the decimal the digit read by one itself, like 5 and 6 only. ओके, इसको दूसरा तरीका से लिखने का तरीका क्या होता है? 3 लिखा, देन आफ्टर पॉइंट this 56, it means दूसरा I am telling to you another way to write in word. This is the one way and this is the another way right now which I am going to explain you. 5 6 56, so right here 56, and 6 is coming in which place? This is a 10th and this one is a 100th, so you have to write here 100th. Okay, so these are the two ways to write in word number this decimal number. Before decimal, that is a whole number. After decimal, that is your decimal number. So understand the how to write the in word this decimal numbers. You can use this one way or this way also. But in your book this one way is given, so you have to use this one way to write in word. This is a very easy, any kind of the decimal easily you can write it. Suppose this one you want to write it, so what you have to write? 363, this is the whole number, so read as a whole number digit. You can read it 363.508. in another one 363.508, but the last one digit is coming in thousand, so write 508,000. Here I am writing 363.508. this is the first way, and the second way is it 300, because this one that next one सेंटेंस विल कमिंग इन फॉरवर्ड, मे बी इन फॉरवर्ड एक्सरसाइज आगे कभी भी नेक्स्ट क्लास में आ सकती है, नेक्स्ट क्लास 6th में. सो यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस वन राइटिंग नंबर नेम ऑल्सो. 363 लिख दिया अपन ने 63, फिर लिखा पॉइंट, सेम एज दैट वे, यहाँ से यहाँ तक तो सेम ही करना है, बस यहाँ पे क्या लिखना है अपन को? वही 508, यहाँ पे 508, एंड द लास्ट में क्या लिखना है? लास्ट वाली डिजिट की प्लेस वैल्यू, एंड दैट इज 1000. ओके, आई होप सो अंडरस्टैंड. एंड वन मोर थिंग, in decimal number always you can see the 3 number, maximum 3 number. if you are getting a 4 number, just you have to do round off. ये तुम्हारे आएगा नहीं वैसे, but maximum 3 number ही you can see. That's why here is a 3 place value. One is 10th, second is 100th, and third is 1000th. So easily we can done after this kind of the concept our exercise. No need to do this type of the work which I was explain starting में, जो भी अभी मैंने explain किया है. Now start from this chapter exercise 5.1 से, यहाँ से start करना है. Write in word. सबसे पहले क्या लिखना है तुम्हें? This 13, it's represent whole number, and this one is decimal number. Before starting our exercise, write this this digit and write this one name. Now question number 1 is write in word. So the first question is 3.468. How can you write it? Same as which I am reading right now. 3.468. So I hope so understand how can you do these questions in word. So easily you can do it. 3.468, 66.08, 88.778, 36.484, 776.844. Now you can do this all questions easily. Okay, so here I tick mark, which is a homework. You have to do it. B, E, H, F and I. Okay, this is the homework. Now second one, write the following in a figure. This one is also very easy. 4.067. How can you write it? 4 लिखा, फिर पॉइंट लिखा, 067. 8.512, 8 लिखा, फिर 0.51 and 2. Same as the way you have to do all questions C, D and E. Arrange the following number in the decimal place value chart. How can you arrange in place value chart? सबसे पहले क्या लिखना है आपको? होल नंबर, यानी ऐसे इस तरीके से ones, tens, 100, and then after make it decimal point. This is the decimal. Okay, this line is showing decimal, and then after the decimal, that is the coming tenth, hundredth and T, small th, thousand. So 6.23, 6 is coming in ones place, 6 यहाँ पे आएगा. Then after 2, tenth और 3 is coming in hundredth. Same as this one, 184, 184. 2 is coming in 10th place. Then after 300 and this 1000th, and the digit is coming 6. So I hope so understand how to do. Make from starting one this place value. ये starting में बना लेनी, और after that write the all number like that. 1, 2, 3, 4. ये सारे numbers दे रखे, इसी में arrange करके आपको लिखने हैं. Write the place value of the underline the digit. How can you write the place value of underline the digit? See, this is a 8. 8 is coming in ones place. Whole number है, तो 8 की क्या होगी? 8 ones. Okay, यहाँ पे 7th की क्या होगी? 7 tenth, because after the decimal that is coming, so that is a 7 tenth. Here is a 4 की value पता करनी, तो 400th. 100 और फिर th लगाना है, 100. Understand now? So easily you can write in your copy this one remaining questions, or this question number 4. Now write the place value of the 5 in each of the following. Place value लिखनी है 5 की. Here is a 5 is coming. So the what is the place value of 5? You can write it easily, 500th. This one, 5 ones. This one, 5. Here is a 4 maximum number. I told you 3 or 4 maximum number it is given. So we have to convert it in 3. So no need to convert it here, because we no need to solve more. Only we have to find the 5 place value. So what is the 5 place value? This is a 10th. This one is a 100th. So the place value of 500th. Now easily you can do this 3 1, D, E and F. How much of the part has been shaded? Give answer in decimal. So here you can count it first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here is a 1 whole complete, and here is also 1 whole complete. And here is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 part out of 10. So 4 upon 10. It means क्या हो जाएगा? 1 plus 1, 2, 4 upon 10. 2 4 upon 10, it means when you have to solve in mixed fraction को mix उसमें solve करेंगे, तो 10 multiply by 2 plus 4 upon 10 ऐसे ही आएगा. 20 plus 4 upon 10, it means 24 upon 10. Now divide. 10 से लगाना है, 100 से लगाना है, 1000 से. डिवाइड वाले चैप्टर में अपन ने पढ़ा था, नीचे जितने जीरो होते हैं ऊपर उतने डिजिट को बुक मार्क करते हैं, एंड देन आफ्टर पुट द डेसिमल. हियर इज अ 1 0, सो 4 को बुक मार्क किया और इसके बाद में एक पॉइंट लगा दिया. सो दैट आंसर इज डेसिमल 2.4. ओके, या यू कैन से 1 + 1 2, एंड कितने आ रहे हैं 4, तो 4 लगा. तो सेम ऐसे ही यहाँ पे 1 1 लिखा, फिर कितने डेसिमल आया, तो 1.2. यहाँ पे भी कितने होल नंबर है, 1 होल नंबर है, एंड यहाँ पे 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, सो 1.7. मैच द फॉलोइंग. इजीली यू कैन डू दिस वन. 8.1, तो 8.1 क्या हो जाएगा, 8.1 8.1/10. So this one is also correct, 8.1/10. So यहाँ पे 8.1/10, 6.4/10, 8.23. This one is also correct, 0.05. Next number, give the three next number, 1.5, 1.6, 1.7, 1.8, 1.9, 1.10. 1.10 is coming? No. You have to see the difference here is 1.1 का difference आ रहा है. So you have to actually adding 1.1 in coming next number. 1.1 ऐड कर रहे हो तुम नेक्स्ट नंबर लाने के लिए यहाँ पे. तो यहाँ पे 1.1 किया तभी तो 1.9 आया. अब यहाँ पे 1.1 आपने जब ऐड किया, सॉरी 1.1 नहीं 0.1, सॉरी बेटा 0.1. जब आपने 0.1 ऐड किया तो यहाँ पे क्या आ जाएगा, 9 + 1 10. 1 is going next one digit, so 1 + 0 1 + 1 2.0. so the next number is your 2. सेम ऐसे यहाँ पे 3.4, 3.5, 3.6. तो पहले इनके बीच का डिफरेंस देखेंगे क्या आ रहा है, 3.1 का डिफरेंस आ रहा है. ओके, सो वी हैव टू ऐड द 0.1 बेटा, 0.1 का डिफरेंस आ रहा है. तो 0.1 अपन ऐड करेंगे. यहाँ पे 0.1 ऐड किया तो क्या आ जाएगा, 3.7. यहाँ पे 0.1 ऐड किया तो 3.8. यहाँ पे 0.1 ऐड किया तो 3.9. ऐसे कमिंग नेक्स्ट नंबर लाने के लिए अपन जैसे इसमें है 2.7, 2.8, 2.9, इनके बीच का डिफरेंस वही 0.1 का डिफरेंस आ रहा है. हाउ टू फाइंड आउट डिफरेंस, 2.8 लिखा, 2.7 में से माइनस किया तो अपन को पता चल जाएगा इनके बीच का डिफरेंस क्या है, 0.1 है. इनके बीच का जैसे डिफरेंस पता चला तो नेक्स्ट वाले नंबर के साथ में वो डिफरेंस को ऐड कर देते हैं. तो अब जब ऐड किया तो क्या हो जाएगा, 9 में 1 ऐड किया तो कितना हो गया, 10. तो 0 यहाँ पे लिखा, 1 will be carry on next one digit, so 2 + 1 3, so that answer is 3.0. now next number 3.1, 3.2. I also understand how can you do this next three numbers. So you have to do this exercise as a homework. Bye bye, take care.